Hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Just Eat app. First, you should make sure your vehicle is ready. Next, open the Just Eat app. Now start your desired shift and wait for an offer. Wait until you receive an offer. First offer 1.9 mile for £3.90. Accept the order. Start navigation to find the restaurant, and then mark you have arrived. Now let's go to the restaurant to collect the order. Ask for the last 4 digits of the order number from the collection section. Collect the order and mark it picked up. Start the route to drop the order for the customer. Start navigation to find the customer address. Follow the navigation to drop the order. When you arrive to the customer address, mark it arrived. You can message or call the customer to let them know. Deliver the food to the customer. Ask them for the 4-digit code. Enter it into the system to complete your trip. Nice! We did our first order and made £3.90. To gain more knowledge and complete future orders successfully, please watch the rest of the video until the end. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching the video all the way through.